Today is the history how India fought relentlessly to bring back its piece of land. Today is the history of freedom after 450 years. The Portuguese colonized India in 1510, conquering many parts of the western coast and establishing several colonies in the east. By the end of 19th century, Portuguese colonies in India were limited to Goa, Diu Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Anjadiva Island. Many Goans living under colonial rule resented Portuguese rule due to policies perceived as brutal, as well as relentless government campaigns to convert the religion made the residents to start revolt against Portuguese. Despite 14 revolts against Portuguese rule, none of them was successful in ending the colonial era. By the 1940s, the Goan independence movement had gained momentum and entered its crucial phase inspired by the Indian independence movement as well as the 1946 British announcement to grant India independence. After which, Indian leaders also focused their attention on the movements in Portuguese India and French India that sought to join the newly independent Indian state. When India became a free nation, Portugal continued to hold on to Goa, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. After failure of diplomacy with the Portuguese, Government of India ordered the Indian Armed Forces to take Goa by force. The armed action, which was code-named Operation Vijay, involves strikes by Indian Navy, Air Force and Army over 36 hours. The operation conducted on 18th and 19th December of 1961 and later Indian troops captured Goa with little resistance. The Governor General of Portuguese India signed an instrument of surrender. The Goa Liberation Day is celebrated on December 19th to celebrate their freedom.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.